Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Gyan of Python. In this tutorial we are going to look about the dot product and include distance, how we can calculate the dot product and include distance as well. So let's get started guys. I have already imported the package, that is NumPy, and the same matrix we are using what we have used in this theory session. Okay, so now I will call that let's say we'll call A and B also. We have same matrix what we have looked in the theory session. Now we want to do the matrix multiplication, that is dot product in this between these two vector. So for that simply the syntax of the dot product is np dot inside this parenthesis you need to pass a comma b and the transpose of this matrix. Okay, once you are true you are getting the same output what we got in this session. You can see here 0 minus 5 1, here as well 0 minus 5 1, we got the same output. Okay, now moving further we are taking the example with this include distance. How we can calculate the include distance? We'll see here. There are two methods that we can calculate the include distance. So first you need to call the library, that is scip dot spattle import distance. So distance dot cdist, inside this parenthesis you need to pass the a and here Euclidean. You can see now what is going on in this. This is the package that allows us to use the to calculate the include distance. Okay, from scip dot spattle import distance, and simply the syntax is distance dot cdist a comma a. Okay, what if we have used a? Okay, we got the xb must be two-dimensional array. Okay, so b comma. Okay, so for that sorry guys, we need to use the because we are means we are finding the distance between this point to that point itself, this point to this point, this point to this point, this point to this point. Okay, this point to this point. Okay, then this point to this point, then this point to this point. So we want to find the distance like this, so that's why we are putting the a comma a, means we are finding the distance, means include distance from this two matrix, means the same matrix we are finding the distance. Okay, hope this will make sense guys. We are getting the same output what we got in the theory session. Now we can round up this one. Simply we can do I will put this letter c, let's say, then I can call c. Okay, then I will round up here. I can do full round. You can see here how to use the full round. Okay, it will full round. Otherwise you can do one more thing here. You can do the round with the after point you are taking the 2 digit. Okay, you can see here 15.56 we got here as well we got the 15.656. okay, so like this you can plot over here. You can change the 3 as well, so you will got the point after 3 digit. Okay, so like this you can round up. So this is the one way that you can calculate the include distance. The other way, for that you need to call the other library, that is from scikit-learn dot matrix. This is the simple way. From scikit-learn import matrix, that is Euclidean distance, then simply Euclidean distance, inside this parenthesis you can pass a, you'll get the same output. Here as well you can do the simply round up np dot round the round, then inside this one you can simply pass pass 2, so you can do the round up point after two digit. Okay guys, hope this will make sense. This is the this example is very easy, means this is very easy step to calculate the inclusion distance rather than this one. So I used to use this step to calculate the inclusion distance. If you want to calculate the distance between two vectors or 2 points, so I will use this method. Okay, now hope this will make sense guys, how to use the dot product. Okay, this is the simple syntax to calculate the dot product and how to calculate the inclusion distance. Here are two methods, whatever you want you can choose that one, you will get the same output. Okay, these are the two libraries that we need to call while calculating the inclusion distance. Okay, and here cdist and I'm passing the two matrix, mean the same matrix I'm passing here, and how you want the means how distance you want to calculate with the includient or what. So I have passed the includient over here. Okay, and here as well we are passing the includient distance here as well. Okay, so hope this will make sense guys. In the next tutorial we are going to learn about the how to calculate the eigenvalue and eigenvectors with a numpy array. So guys, please like and subscribe to my channel if you like this. Thank you.